for Art and Culture for taking this initiative. So when I got your invitation, I had to invite my entire NEC members from Borno to Bauchi to Port Harcourt. Most of us in Abuja, Nasarawa, Jos, to join us in putting Nigeria first. So I want to congratulate you. We in our association, our aim is to promote ethical values and standards in public procurement, making our contribution to national development and putting Nigeria first. So today, you have started a new campaign. We are going to join you in making sure that in our own sector, we put Nigeria first. And if all the sectors will put Nigeria first, I think we will make progress. So I think where we missed it all is where we lost our cultural values, where are these children struggling to go to school. One of them will drop out, the next day he's driving the biggest car, and he gets to church, they give him the front seats. What do you tell these other ones? So I have an experience that when we finished the secondary school, moving to higher institution, one of us was not able to get admission. He stayed back in the village and became Agboro, what we call Agboro in a local palace. And from there, he became a counselor and met my mother in the church and told my mother, you send your child to school, now I'm a counselor, I'm better than him. So after counselor, he has not become anything. I'm the president of the Association of Public Procurement Practitioners. If you ask me, we have made progress. So young ones, hard work pays. Hard work pays. So we are in a system where while these ones are struggling to go to school, the other ones will look for a rich man and marry, will not go to school. Then that is what we call celebrity in Nigeria. It's a pity. I think putting Nigeria first, we have to take it a step further by making sure that our cultural orientation is brought back so that we can build a bigger and stronger Nigeria. So why I call my colleagues to come is because we are out to promote ethical standard, value for money, save cost for government. So these are the groups, the group of people out there to pursue this assignment for 4 years. If we fail, so look at their faces, these are people who will hold. I brought them here for a purpose. So we have a task to making sure that we put Nigeria first in what we do and contributing a quarter to national development. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you, sir, and we appreciate you. Thank you.